Welcome to everyone that is new watching my videos, tuning in. Of course, it's me, Nisha Antoinette, and to all of my beautiful royalties, how y'all doing today? My son purchased me a gift, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. This is gonna be so much fun. So, guess what we have? Get into it. This is so nice. My family and I visit my son a week before my birthday, and he surprised me with this Coach gift, and I was so excited. A week before our crisis. So pretty. What? Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, this is so nice. Coach is stepping up their game. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, so pretty. Let's open the box. Take this off. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, this is too cute. Look at that. Ah, this is so nice. What's the name of this purse? Let's pull this up. This is a Amelia saddlebag. What's the features? Measurements: length 9.25 inches, height 7 inches, width 3.25, material soft pedal leather, fabric lining, strap detachable straps, drop for shoulders or crossbody wear. Features: outside open pocket, inside multifunction pockets, snap closure. Amelia bags. Thank you so much, son. I really appreciate this. Look at that. And he personalized the Coach tag as well. This is so pretty, and it's purple. You know, purple is my favorite color, so he have the Coach tag personalized, have Coach on this side, and it's personalized, and this is so pretty. Let's pull the thick straps. I like that. Let's pull it out. Wow. Ooh, this is nice. With the band, like that indentation right there. This is so pretty. I love the thick straps. This is nice. The quality on this bag is so pretty. This is so pretty, y'all. Look how nice this is. You also have a tag right here for Coach. In the back looks like that, and you have a deep, wow, that's really deep down there. It's really nice. This is real pretty. Tag right there. You have pockets here. You also have another deep pocket here. This is pretty. I guess because it was in the box, it had that little indentation, which I don't care for that indentation. Thanks, Trey. I really like my bag. Love the color of the bag. This is so adorable. Love this so much. It's so pretty. So let's see what's hiding in this bag. Ooh, what else we have? Wow, what's next, Trey? You just really doing it up. This is super cute. And you have Coach here, loving the black, loving the brown bow with the Coach brand right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, we have two things in here. Wait a minute. Let's go ahead and pull this out. What do we have here? Ooh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's too cute. We have a purse charm. It's a snail. It's a purple Coach snail. This is pretty heavy. Wow. This is pretty heavy. It's super cute. Yeah. That's so pretty. And it has the little coach thing right here. Oh, wow. This is nice. Let's go ahead and put it on purple. It's my favorite color if y'all don't know. Let's go ahead and hook this onto here. So we have a cute purse charm right there. And that matches my mom personalized tag, coach tag. And I know he paid extra for this. And y'all already know how much these cost. What? They're $100. This is real quality, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what's next in the box. Love the black, honey. Can't go wrong. Black is so pretty. Let's see. Ooh. OMG. I love these purse charms. This is huge. This is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Look how big this is. This is so pretty. Make me want to eat it. It is huge. And it's heavy. It's super pretty. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead and put her on this side. That is so pretty. I love my purse charms. Yeah, that's gonna bother me. This right here is gonna bother me. In the meantime, look at my cute Coach bag. Oh, and we went to the mall yesterday and I saw this black girl. She had on a Coach gold bracelet. I gotta have that. Coach, you done came up. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Trey, thank you so much. I am so happy with this birthday present. And then, of course, it comes with a card. Well, the receipt was in here. Coach done got fancy, honey. Coach. Trey, thank you so much. Coach, if you're watching this video, neshaantoinette wants you to reach out to me, Coach, because y'all just made me happy for my birthday. To God be the glory. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I'm loving my new Coach bag. Ladies, go get it. Go get you the real deal Coach charm, purse charms. And the little snail is absolutely beautiful, y'all. It's heavy, it's quality. The snail, they have so many more charms. And I love the personalized badge here. It is so nice. I'm loving this. Thank you so much for supporting me, tuning in, and watching all of my videos from beginning to end. Until next time, toodaloo.